Hi, my name is Julie. I'm a registered nurse, or I used to be. I decided to come to Mexico for treatment of my rheumatoid arthritis, which was caused by a flu vaccine 23 years ago. It's been absolutely horrible. I've been in extreme pain for many years, 23 years. No quality of life, wanting to die. It was horrible. I've had bad psoriasis on my feet and my hands. It's just been an absolute horrible experience, but I was able to find on the internet regarding the immunotherapy here, and I was able to get in contact with them. And that started the process of me coming here. So the communication is great. We ended up, they have a driver that will pick you up at the airport and pick you up no matter where you are to come to the clinic. But since my treatments, and I've had two, my psoriasis is gone. I'm no longer screaming at night in bed, rolling over. I'm no longer needing like 20 pillows all around me to support all my limbs and my knees and my ankles when I'm sleeping. Obviously I'm sleeping a lot better now because those issues are gone. The psoriasis is gone. I can get up, I can walk, I can open things, I can wipe my bum, and all those sort of things that are important to remain a little bit independent in your care and in your life. So I fully support this. Everything is great. The stem cells are pure. They are great. The staff are very well knowledgeable in what they're doing. A lot more than I can give credit to anybody else from my country. They know their stuff, and they're here to help you. They genuinely here to help you. So anybody who is listening to this, I really hope that you would consider coming to and give this immunotherapy a chance to make you better, because it will make you better. Because I'll tell you, when I first come here, I had no hope at all, and I really wanted to die, because that was my second option if this did not work. Because we have MAID in Canada, and so we have assisted dying, and that's where I was at before I came here in March. And I feel better, I feel healthier. I'm not 100%, I will never be 100%, but I am way better than what I was. So I thank the clinic for giving me my quality of life back.